We can use the select activity logic as it is conceptually the same. However, we will use some of the logic and make some specific to the video switching task. We're going to take advantage of logic already written by using the select activity button presses to trigger an analog initialize. The analog initialize will generate the analog values to be sent to the DMMD 6x4 to route inputs to outputs. We will add an analog initialize to the video folder. We can grab it from the Logic System folder or use the speed key INIT. A quick refresher on what the analog initialize does using the F1 help key. The analog initialize can be in one of two modes, either single input, where there is one input and multiple outputs, or single output, where there are multiple inputs and a single output. Single output is how we will use the analog initialize. We will take the source presses document camera to Blu-ray 2 from the Select Activity Smart object and copy them to the input of the analog initialize. We will need to fill in the parameter values. We know that the document camera is input 1, the laptop is input 2, and the other inputs follow in order. The DMMD 6x4 is looking for a decimal value for 0D to 6D. We won't use the 0D for now, so we will need 1D through 5D. We can enter 1D on the first parameter and use auto increment to fill in the rest. We have the presses and the value, and now we need the signal to carry the value to the DMMD 6x4. We will name the signal source.preview.video.selection. We will send that to video out 1 on the DMMD 6x4 as our preview source. When a source is pressed in the Select Activity Smart object, that press will trigger the analog initialize to send the corresponding value to the DMMD 6x4 and our preview route will be made. We will finish this off by giving the analog initialize a name or comment of AV Source Selector. We have completed the preview route selector.